Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today I'm going to be replacing an iPhone 7 Plus screen. As you can see, it is very cracked. Everything still works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and replace the screen. They wanted to do the water seal, so I'm going to put the water seal as well. Speed up the timer as I always do, and then show you the final product after. To all my customers, I want to thank you again for everything, and let me go ahead and start the timer and hope you enjoy.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive.
And we are done. 17 minutes and 14 seconds. As I said, if we can't do it in under 20 minutes, it's free. So that is the screen repair with the water seal, and then this is just a little plastic piece that comes on it, but I'm going to put the tempered glass on that for them as well. Again, thank you to all my customers who support us and spread the word about our business. I truly appreciate it. It means the world to me, and I hope everyone out there is having or going to have happy holidays. Today is December 21st, so check out our website, and if you need any help with iPhones, MacBooks, Final Cut Pro, Photoshop, things like that, give me a call, send me an email. I'll be happy to help you. And until then, I'll be making more videos shortly. See you guys soon.
You at the top of the mountain?
Wait for me to come home.